Oh my god. Itu dia. Eh, Kristen. Ya? Tunggu, oke. Oh my god. Okay. A is the first of alphabet. Alif is the first of hijayah. One is the first of numbers. And salam is the first of mass speech. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May peace be upon you all, ladies and gentlemen. Before I start, let me ask you a question. A really simple question. Have you ever heard of the program MBG before? Raise your hand if you know. What? No one? Really? Well, some of you might know it from the news, or maybe some of you like experience it yourself at school, but you forget. Let me tell a story of mine. In my school, MBG, or everyone calls it makanan bergizi gratis, it's a little different compared to what public schools have. Since I study at private school, we don't call it MBG or makanan bergizi gratis. Instead, we call it makan sehat. The idea is the same. Every Friday, we receive healthy meals such as fruit, milk, or a balanced portion of food to support our growth. But many people only hear about MBG when something goes wrong, like food poisoning, expired meals, or even some shocking stories like shark meat. All of these questions makes us wonder, is the program really safe and effective to give to students? But let's not forget the bigger picture. By the end of July 2025, more than 7 million students across Indonesia have benefited from this program. Proof that MBG can improve students' health. Whether it's called MBG in public schools or makan sehat in my private school, the mission remains the same: to fight malnutrition and to give students the energy they need to learn, focus, and to dream big. So today, I, Muhammad Gang Ramadan from SMK Plus Mati, want to share with you all my thoughts about why MBG matter, what challenges it faces, and how it could shape a healthier generation of Indonesian students. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to deliver my idea how to improve MBG's program to a sustainable diet for Indonesian students. Here, I have 5 points about MBG. First, the positive impact and global context of MBG. Ladies and gentlemen, let's appreciate how impactful this program truly is. MBG is a quick and necessary response to two major national challenges: malnutrition and stunting among Indonesian children. In fact, studies from 2022 reveal that 41% of children skip breakfast simply because they were afraid of being late to school. MBG helps solve this by ensuring students to receive nutritious food right at school, giving them the energy they need to learn and focus. Second point, socio-economic benefits. Beyond nutrition, MBG also opens up a whole new job opportunities for adults involved in food preparation and distribution. At the same time, it helps students save up some money for future need, showing that MBG isn't only about food, it's about opportunity. Third point, a proven global model. MBG also aligns with some successful school feeding programs around the world. By 2022, more than 480 million children around the world had benefited from similar initiatives, such as the National School Lunch Program in the United States, the Midday Meal Scheme in India, and then the Homegrown School Feeding in Africa. Recent studies on these programs show that giving nutritious food for students increases the student attendance, decreases the risk of malnutrition and stunting, and decreases the risk of obesity and diabetes. Fourth point, addressing the core challenge. However, ladies and gentlemen, Every great program comes with challenges. For MBG, the main issue lies in the food safety. According to polcom.go.id, August 4th, 2025, the program itself is positive, yet the negative incidents in the media often were caused by incidents in the cooking process, not the policy. And finally, the last point, mass solution. To ensure NBG is both safe and sustainable, I propose a strict protocol. This means before cooking any meal, the following must be verified. First, daily kitchen and equipment inspection. Second, mandatory for cooks. And third, temperature and storage logs. In the end, I hope is that through all these improvements, we can eliminate all food safety concerns and successfully implemented MBG in all schools across Indonesia. Thank you for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.